Hi everyone, I am Shreya and today's widget is the elevated button plus alert dialog widget. First I will show you the output. First give the comma to the drop down close bracket and press the enter. First I create elevated button. Type the elevated button. And put the round bracket. Press the enter. Type the child and type the text. Put the round bracket and press the enter. Type the play. Now I give the style to the elevated button. Press the enter and type the style. Type the text button. Remove this comma and put the full stop and type the style from. Press the enter and type the primary. Type the colors. Dot. Select the color you like. I select the teal. Primary is used for the text color. Now I give the background color. First give the comma here and type the background color. Type the colors. Dot. Yellow. Give the comma and type the text style. Again type the text style. Press the enter. Now type the font size. I give the 30.0. Give the comma and I also apply the font weight. Again type the font weight. I select the bold. Now run the project. You can see the result. I forgot to apply the on press method. Give the comma here and type the on press. Put the round bracket and put the curly bracket. Now run the project. Now you can see the text color seen. Now I type the code for alert dialog in on press method. Press the enter. Type the return and type the show dialog. Press the enter. Again press the enter and remove the builder text. Put the round bracket and type the CTX. Press the enter. Type the equal to sign and type the arrow and type the alert dialog. Press the enter and type the title for the alert dialog. Type the text and put the round bracket, put the single inverted comma and type your message. Now type the content. Type the text, put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma and type your message. Do you want to play? Now I type the code for two options, yes and no, and I am using the text button. Put the semicolon here. Now press the enter and type the action. Again press the enter and type the text button. Remove the unpressed text and put the round bracket and curly bracket. And remove the child text. Type in the onPress method. Type the navigator. Give the full stop and type the off. Open the round bracket and type the CTX. Give the full stop and type the pop. Put the round bracket and give the semicolon. Here type the text. Put the round bracket and give the single inverted comma and type the yes. Now copy the code from the text button and close bracket of the text button. Ctrl C. First give the comma here and press the enter and press the Ctrl V. Now we change the text. Type the no. Now run the project. Now you can see the result. Again I click on the play button and click on the no button. Now I apply the style to the alert dialog box. For that, first give the comma here and type the style. Type the text style. Remove the comma and put the round bracket. Type the font size. Give the 20.0. Put the comma. Type the font weight. Again type the font weight and select the bold. Copy this code from the style to the close bracket of the text style. Ctrl C. First give the comma here and put the enter. Now press the enter and press the Ctrl V. Now increasing the size, I give the 25. Give the comma here and press the Ctrl V. Now I apply the color also. Type the color. Type the colors. Dot. Select the color. Now copy the code from the style to the close bracket of the text style. Ctrl C. Give the comma here. Press the enter and press the Ctrl V. Now run the project. Now I click on the play button. You can see the changes. Now I click on the yes button. Again I click on the elevated button and click on the text button. I hope you understand the alert dialog box widget. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.